Add 1 cup of mayonnaise, half a cup of sweet pickle relish, half a tablespoon of celery seed, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, and stir it well. Get 3 of these 5-ounce cans of tuna packed in water, drain all of the liquid, and add them as well. Then stir it together. Get a 16-ounce box of elbow macaroni and cook it according to the directions on the box. After it's cooked, drain it well and rinse it with cold water until the pasta is cool. Then add it to a large bowl. Pour the mayonnaise mix on top. Add 3 chopped hard-boiled eggs, 1 diced shallot, 1 cup of fully thawed frozen peas, and mix everything together. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and put it in the fridge for at least 2 hours for the flavors to combine better. Afterwards, I give it one more stir and then serve. Please consider giving the video a like, and thanks for watching.